Hey, this is your favorite guy in the hoodie, back with another video. Jay Knows Credit. Hey, bro. You may not be their favorite guy in the hoodie. Bro, stop hating. Just let me be great, man. I'm speaking that I'm their favorite guy in the hoodie. I mean, I'm trying to be. I'm hoping I am. Like, man, come on, dude.
Whatever, bro. You just better be showing them something to make them your favorite guy in the hoodie.
That's what I'm making these videos for, man. I'm trying to. Man, all right. All right, guys. So, like I said, it's Jay Knows Credit, back with another video. Want to let you all know more about these trade lines, these primary trade lines that I've been promoting here now for like the past week. We have this 10K primary trade line that you can get. It does have 1 year of credit history. Now, there are other trade lines available. You can get a $1,000 trade line, $2,500, $5,000, and a $10,000. You don't have to get the $10,000 if you're not able to afford that, but that is what's going to give you the best, boost in your score, because of course you're going to have a better credit to debt ratio. But still, a lot of people need that year. For those people who do not have any established credit, this is definitely something you definitely want to have. For those who don't have a FICO score yet, you need 6 months of history in order to get a FICO score. This will automatically give you that FICO score immediately. All right, but I wanted to get into more details. Getting a lot of questions about it, and a lot of people who are signing up incorrectly for the line. So if you want to get the line of credit, when you sign up on the website, you're going to see different things, which I'm going to show you here. All right, just want to start things off letting everyone know, if you want to get this trade line, whether it's the 10K, the 2,500, the 5K, the 1,000, whatever trade line you would like, the last day to get turned in for the report for June is going to be June 25th, 2018. June 25th, 2018. So you want to get this by this date for it to post. It's going to post on June 30th of 2018. It's going to be the posting date. That's going to post to TransUnion and Equifax first, and then post to Experian later. All right. So just wanted to let you know that before we get everything started here. All right. So when you come to the page, you're going to see this screen to go ahead and click on Order Now. Next page, you got to put in your email address and click the continue button. Right? You don't want to go to the bottom of the page and click on I'm interested. All that's going to do is just send an email to me that you're interested. That's all that it's going to do. So make sure you come here to where it says enter your email address and you click continue. Next thing, you're going to see the different plans depending on which trade line you want. If you want to get paid on every level, which I'm going to talk about here in more detail at the end about why that's important, you want to get the combo affiliate package, which you're going to see that here on the next slide. But these are the VIP plans for the $1,000 trade line and $2,500 trade line if that's what you want. But like I said, the combo affiliate plan is going to be you getting paid on anybody who signs up, no matter what they sign up for. It's very important if you do want to get paid maximum money as far as the referrals that I do or my team does, to have the combo affiliate. Now, if you're only in it just to get a small trade line, that's totally fine. Get what you personally need. But if you do want to make a little bit of extra cash, I would highly suggest a combo affiliate plan. All right. On the next slide, you're going to see. All right, sorry about that. I got interrupted. Here on the next slide, you're going to see the different card types. You can actually pick whichever card you personally like. They're going to have different designs there. It's going to be ranging from a $20 card design on up to $100. They have different ones you can see. You have ones that, if you're a barber, it has a kind of a barber design on it. If you are a person who's in a fraternity, there's one for a certain fraternity. Not going to speak on that. There's also different ones just for class. You got one with a business gentleman in a suit. You got one with a nice vehicle. Just depends on which one you personally like. You choose that. You're also going to choose your card type. You want to choose, Visa or MasterCard. Doesn't matter which one you choose. It's just different amounts depending on which one you personally like. Okay. If you don't have a Visa card in your pocket, get the Visa. If you don't have a MasterCard, get the MasterCard. Okay. A lot of people are saying they like the MasterCard better. You get whatever you personally would like with this. Here on the next slide, you're going to see the different statuses. If you do want to upgrade and double your trade line, if you get the $5,000 combo affiliate plan, you want to get the $10,000 line, you definitely have to use this feature. It is $200 a year to double that trade line and also be a part of the elite status. And then also, you know, get the wholesale credits. So I'm going to talk about that here more in a little bit more detail here. I'm going to go over the different levels and in which you get paid and all that just from getting this promotion to have a primary trade line. A lot of other benefits that come with it, a lot of rewards that come with it as well with just having this black card. So you will see that. And like I said, if you have any questions, you definitely can send me an email, you know, call me, text me, or just go to my website and go ahead and get started and join the Facebook group. We have a lot of questions to answer there in the Facebook group. All right. You also have to select how you want to get it shipped. I just tell everybody just to do the priority shipping. It's $10. If you are international though, you definitely use the DHL. You know, additional cost to get it shipped there, just because it's a lot easier and a lot faster that way. All right. Then once you're done with that, all you have to do, go to checkout. You know, simple, basic checkout procedure, credit card information, and all that, or debit card, however you want to, you know, purchase it. Now, going into what this thing is about, this is the BlackCard. This is the CEO. His name is Troy Mason. He put this thing together. All right. Now, if you want to get the dream card that you would like, it's very, very easy to do that with this company. All right. You have the rewards. You got free bank teller. You got free withdrawals with this card. No overdraft fees. No late fees. No transfer fees. No balance inquiry fees. Think about all the different debit cards that are out there. I'm not going to name bash any other great company that is out here that has a debit card, but they also have a lot of high fees. You know, a lot of ATM fees and withdrawal fees and all that. So that's how they make a lot of their money. There are no additional fees with this card. You can actually go to the teller and withdraw money. You can actually go to Western Union and add money to it if you want. You can add money through the Cash app. If you have the Square Cash app on your iPhone or Android, you can add money that way. It also comes with a bank account. You can actually have everything direct deposit to this card as well. You know, it's just a fantastic card to have. Going to the ATM, I think it's like $1 for most places to get withdrawals. So, and you also get rewards. So you're going to get these different rewards that you wouldn't normally get with a traditional prepaid card. You know, it's usually like you pay $4 or $5, $3, $5, $10 or whatever to add money, and then that's what you use it for. You swipe it and that's it. But it's a whole lot more benefits with this card. One of the benefits is we have a level 1 reward where you can get a movie night for 2 people. You can also get 2 full tanks of gas up to $100 value to fill your car up. You can also get dinner for 2 at a 5-star restaurant for you and the lady, or you and your partner. You can also get an NBA, NFL ticket game of your choice. You also get rewards and an airfare to Vegas. Trip for 2 to Vegas is fantastic. You also have another level that you can get Carnival Cruise for 2 of the $2,500 value. You can also get a $5,000 shopping spree for you to go spend it however you like at those stores. And one of the ones I like is the Rolex, $10,000 value Rolex. I just love watches. And then also, you know, going to paid vacation, all expense paid to Paris with spending money. Also, you get the luxury car of your choice, $75,000 value. And here's the difference between the Amex Black Card and the Z Black Card. A lot of people ask me about, well, I can get a Black Card with the American Express, but this is by invite only. You know, you have to get, they have to send you one. You really can't even apply for one. With the Z Black Card, somebody has to introduce you to it, but you don't have to have a certain credit score or just wait for them to evaluate your amount of money you make and all that in order to give you an invitation in the mail to get one. So it's not as exclusive, but it still is exclusive to where you have to get an invite in order to get that card. Okay, you can also just rewind that, and you can actually screenshot that if you want to look at all the details. It's also on the website, but we have 5 card types in one. You got your charge card, you got your credit card, you got your secured credit card, and you see what those things do. You know what it allows you to do when you have those cards. And there are a lot of people out here, and I know it might sound crazy, who don't even have debit cards still to this day. So just opportunity for everybody to capitalize on that as well. Now, there are primary trade lines. There are two types of primaries here. You have your installment and your revolving primary trade lines. And, you know, the installments is what you're paying on. Usually you can actually pay an installment off. A revolving account is still going to keep reporting no matter if you pay it off or not. It'll still keep reporting even if it is paid off, like a credit card. And this is going to be a revolving account reported here. So you can have that $1,000, $2,500, or the $5,000 if you choose the combo affiliate plan, and then select that double that trade line for that for that yearly fee, and it goes from $5,000 to $10,000, or, you know, $1,000 to $2,000 depending on what you choose. Okay, you can earn 50% commissions on anybody, whatever they sign up for. You can see the reward levels here and different ranks in which you get as far as a max earning based on your team size per person. Okay, you also get a monthly lifestyle bonus depending on where you fall at as far as rank wise. And there's also this 3x10 force matrix. So for those who say, well, you know, Jay, I can't really market that well and I'm not trying to do a whole lot of sign up processes. The first person who joined my team right now, he has over 40 people up under him right now just because he joined first. Okay, so just because you're involved in it, you can actually get paid you know, maximum money just from being in the position to get paid. So everybody who signs up is a force matrix, so that means they're going to fall up under everybody else. So if you were to get involved in this opportunity, you would fill a space. And I have literally 88,000 spaces I'm trying to fill at least 10,000 in this first year. So if you look at those people who sign up under you, who fall up under you, you're going to get at least $1 per person. So even if there's like 100 people up under you, you're going to make $100 a month in residual income just because you got in position. That's not you doing any additional work. That's not you marketing. For those who are marketers or those who are in a real estate agency, or you're already involved in credit, this is something good for your clients to be able to get involved in. And, you know, you can help them actually get a credit score very fast with a FICO score, because with a FICO score you got to have 6 months of history in order to produce a FICO score. So for those who don't have one, they can actually join this and get involved and already have that FICO score. Now, this 1 year backdated primary is only going to be for a limited time. It's only a limited time. So for those who are just saying, well, I'm just going to wait, that's fine, but just know that it won't be backdated after that. Come later on this month, it's going to be just showing for that month you signed up. Just like any other primary you would sign up for. If you got a credit card today, it'll report that following month just for that 1 month. It's going to do the same thing here with just reporting that $10,000 for that first month. If you get involved now, then you can actually get that 1 year backdated primary you know, today. So the longer you wait, the longer that it's gonna probably be a chance where you're not gonna be able to get the backdated primary. That's the opportunity here to get involved right now if you're looking at this video in this particular month of June of 2018. If it's after June 2018, then of course it's only going to be for that 1 month, more than likely. That's going to be reporting only, unless there's a special going on at that time. But even still, having a $10,000 primary reported on your credit is a fantastic thing, because it definitely makes it look good when you're trying to secure other lines of credit, whether that's a house, a car, or just getting some credit card funding or personal loans. The more primaries you have in good standing, the higher the limits on those primaries, the better the payment history, then the better your chances of getting higher limit credit cards and things of that nature. All right, so hope you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully you all get started. By the way, we do have a Facebook page. That Facebook page for our team, we have a BlackCard one on Facebook. There are other ones out there, but for our personal team, and that's me and my other partners here, you know, ours is by clicking the link only. There's a link in this video and a link in my previous video on the BlackCard where you can join the Facebook group. Now, we've had over 300 people who've signed up for getting involved in the group, but they haven't done that correctly either. You have to answer 2 questions in order to be approved to the group. 2 questions. First question is going to be, what is your username? Second question is going to be, who sponsored you to the group? All right, so that way we can look up and see if that person actually signed up, because for this group, it's only for paid members only. All right, so we want to make sure that you got involved and that you're signed up, and we want to be able to see you, you know, on our team before we just allow you to come into the group, because there are people who just want to join groups and post spam and all that kind of crap. All right, so just keep that in mind. If you signed up already, go back in there and like cancel your request and re-sign up, and make sure that you do those steps and answer those 2 questions before you submit joining the group. All right, but hopefully you all enjoyed this video. This is Jay Knows Credit. Look forward to you being on the team, enjoying this BlackCard, and getting this 1-year backdated history, or getting that month-to-month history to help build your credit. And I will see you all in the next video. God bless you. God bless your finances.